Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor as well as a few non-teaching vacancies from one of the state university, and here the opportunities are there for the only PG candidates and PG plus UG Senate and the PhD candidates. So for all these different categories here the opportunities are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in the government universities. It will be very much helpful to them. And the candidates who are having only PG, they are going to get the 22,000 rupees per month, and the UGC net qualified candidates are going to get 28,000 rupees per month. Okay, so to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC net preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here the university name is Cluster University of Jammu. So regarding this university, previously I already did one video, guys. Okay, that is a notification, and here the date is extended, as well as a few more non-teaching vacancies also I am going to show you right now. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this advertisement or the notification. So here, after entering into the official website of this one, here in the announcement, just click on the notifications. Then you will be directed to the notifications here. So extension notice of advertisement of assistant professor contractual, and extension notice of advertisement of program and assistant programmer contractual. Okay, so here the last date is extended. So before going to the extended dates, first of all we will see the notifications. So first I will show you the contractual employment notification of programmer and the assistant programmer. Okay, so we will check that one, and then we will go to the remaining notifications. Okay, so it is a contractual employment notification. You may check down. Applications for the following post are invited from eligible candidates on prescribed format, which can be downloaded from the official website for engagement purely on a contractual basis on consolidated wages as per the following breakup. The first one is the name of the post is programmer. The basic qualification required is MCA or MTech or BE or BTech in computer science or BEIT, MSc computer science with at least 55% of marks from any recognized university. So it is essential qualification, guys. And the preferable qualification means not mandatory, but if it is there, then there will be more chances for selection. So working knowledge of web-based application development using PHP. Okay, so these are all the things, and experience is also mentioned. 5 years of experience in actual programming in central government or state government, and here the salary is 28,000 rupees per month. And coming to the next one is assistant programmer. Here the basic qualification required is MCA or BTech or BE in computer science or BCA with minimum 2 years of experience with at least 60% of aggregate marks. And the preferable qualification is given here, and the experience is also mentioned. So coming to this one, the salary is 20,000 rupees per month. And the eligible candidates must submit their applications on or before 3rd of May 2021 only through the speed post with proof of delivery, so as to reach in the office of the assistant registrar, Cluster University of Jammu. Okay, so here the 3rd May is given, but the date is extended. I will show you what is the extension date of this one. And coming to the age limitations, so minimum for all the candidates 18 years and maximum 40 years. And based upon the caste category, the relaxations are provided here, so you may check down, guys. And the selection procedure will be based upon the skill test in computer program, following by the interview for both the programmer as well as the assistant programmer. Okay, so I will provide this link here. The application form is also there, so you may download this one, fill up this one, and you have to send to the mentioned address with the necessary enclosures. Okay, so coming to the second one is applications are invited for a temporary post of assistant professor or teaching assistant. So we will have a look here. In this one, here the mentioned is on or before 6th May 2021, but here this date is also extended. I will show you the extension date. First we will see the subjects and eligibility criteria. So here the subjects are English, mathematics, geology, chemistry, physics, commerce, education, botany, zoology, history, linguistics and literature and EVS. So if you belongs to these subjects with only post graduation, no problem, guys, you may apply to this one. Okay, and coming to the essential qualifications, so master's degree in concerned stream with 55% of marks, and a net or set shall be minimum eligibility criteria for recruitment appointment of assistant professor in universities. Of course, here net or set is given, but how come only PG candidates can apply for this one? Okay, here I may check down. In case the eligible candidates possessing net set or PhD are not available, then the candidates having master's degree with 55% may also be considered as a teaching assistants. Okay, so here the qualifications are mentioned here. So you may check down the qualifications for the each and every department separately. And coming to the salary, the candidates who are selected with net set or PhD, they are going to get 28,000 rupees per month. And the candidates who are having only master's degree with 55% of marks, they are going to get the 22,000 rupees per month. Okay, and the period of engagement. Okay, and the remaining details are also given here. Candidates will be shortlisted for interview on the basis of 100-point scale. That means there is no written test for this one. The candidates will be directly called for the interview based upon your academic performance as well as your research performance. And the shortlisting criteria, okay, the points, everything mentioned here. And the application form is also mentioned here. So take down the printout of this one, fill up the application and check down the necessary enclosures and send to the mentioned address. Okay, and next we will see the what is the extension date for the assistant professor. Okay, as well as the non-teaching positions also we will check. So here in continuation to the advertisement regarding various temporary post of assistant professor or teaching assistant is hereby notified that the last date of receipt of applications has been extended till 21st May 2021. Okay, so it is the extension date of the assistant professor as well as the teaching assistant. And coming to the extension notice of advertisement of the programmer, the last date is the 18th May 2021. Okay, you may check down here, 18th May 2021. Fine. So these are the complete recruitment details from the Cluster University of Jammu, guys. And I will share you this website link in the description box of this video, so you can access all the necessary PDFs and whatever the qualifications you belongs to. So you may try to apply for this one, guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are having this qualifications and looking for the government jobs. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here, by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide